I'm not breaking it. I'm testing the lock. I may be helping you rebuild the door when off on the floor. Rover to loop, yeah, simple as pie. Send 10, then 20, watch the server cry. AAA's in a string, wrapped it tight, fed it through a socket. Boom, good night. Script got bars and logic too. Tricep block when the code goes through. Crashes at 300, I'm taking a note. Now I know just how deep to poke. Suck, send, that's the line. When the app breaks, that offset's mine. Wanna find gold, you gotta dig. Sometimes that buffer's just not that big. Fuzz me once, shame on you. Crash it twice, now I got the clue. From input field to the EIP, I'm building exploits line by line in PY. Fuzz me once, then watch me grow. Overflow love in a Python flow. It's just math, memory, and strings, and I'm turning bugs into bling. Next up, patent create. Mim set patent, yo, calculate. Find the crash, that's the plan. EIP's overwritten by what I ran. Now I got offset, precision clean, like sniping bytes in a memory stream. Struct, pack,
I address.
point that jump, bypass the mess. Shell code cooked with a side of care. Bad chars out, yeah, I'm aware. Knobsled ready like a runway clear. Execution's close, I feel it near. Fuzz me once, shame on you. Crash it twice, now I got the clue. From input field to the EIP, I'm building exploits line by line in PY. Fuzz me once, then watch me grow. Overflow love in a Python flow. It's just math, memory, and strings, and I'm turning bugs into bling. First crash, accidental. Second crash, intentional. Third, executional. Sought connect, payload prepped, command shell bound, service slept. All from a script you wouldn't believe. Python print statements and a dream. Pour open, got the shell. All from where that input fell. Didn't hack, I educated. Found the gap, automated. All I did was test your trust with some code and a bit of dust. You call it a flaw, I call it a chance to adjust.
Burp.